Welcome to the Mystic Crystal Imports video series on the magical world of crystals. In this video, we're going to talk about the benefits of Labradorite. Labradorite's benefits are extensive. This stone is known for its grounding and calming properties, making it an ideal companion for anyone who feels like they're struggling. Labradorite is also a great healing crystal for helping people make connections with others. When you use Labradorite, it will help you get started on the path of transformation by helping you find your inner strength. From there, it will give you the courage to take action in the world around you and produce results. Another Labradorite benefit is that it is known to bring clarity of mind, which can help people achieve clarity in their relationships with others. If you feel like you're at odds with someone in your life, whether it's a coworker or a significant other, this crystal can help you get back on track by putting things in perspective. Labradorite is a powerful stone that aids in communication and intuition. It helps to bring out our inner wisdom and to express it in a way that others will understand. It can help us overcome fear of being heard or misunderstood, allowing us to speak our truth without being afraid of what others might think. It also helps us to connect with our spiritual guides, angels, or higher self so we can make decisions from a place of love rather than fear or anger. This crystal's energy works on all levels, physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual, to create balance within your aura so that you can be at peace with yourself and your surroundings. This matters because when we are able to communicate from a place of love and intuition, we can create more balanced relationships with ourselves and others. When we operate from a place of fear or anger, it is easy to make decisions that are not in our best interests. Intuitive communication can help us to avoid this by connecting us with our higher self so that we can make choices based on love instead of fear. Labradorite is an amazing crystal for anyone who wants to find inner peace, develop better connections with others, or improve their communication skills. This stone has a powerful energy that can help you make positive changes in your life. If you're looking for a way to connect with your higher self and make decisions from a place of love, Labradorite is the perfect stone for you.